gusto ko kay Ella yung ano nagiging mataray. Tapos
Taray ba ako?
pag ano yan, pag nakita mong medyo lumaki na yung mata niya, ayan na yan, kumbaga galit na yan, ibig sabihin.
Mabait siya, mabait. Tapos sobrang haba ng pasensya. Yung sinasabi niya na mataray ako. Oh, totoo. Mataray. Hindi naman mataray na mataray.
Right from the jump, we had a hunch that we had everything. Perfect combination. Love plus you and me. Perfect combination. We couldn't ask for any better. Perfect combination. We fit to a T. Perfect combination. With all it takes to last forever. Together.
Okay. Actually, same company kami before. Tapos, magkasama kami. We started as friends. Tapos, so finally, na-inlove siya sa akin eh. Ayun.
Ngayon, hanggang date, tapos nag-text, and then ayun na, nagulat na lang kami, nagkain laban ako.
Always be beautiful in my eyes, and the passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes.
Yung first season, mainly,
Yung
pinatid niya ako nun eh.
yung first kiss kasi yung kumbaga pag nung time na natid ko siya sa may isang mall, tapos sabi ko, paano? Sabi ko, ano na lang, gano'n lang ba? Yeah. Tapos nung time nung yun na, smack na siya, yun na, parang diba, parang, syempre, panagulan ka, diba? Yun.
Oo, yun. Kasi sabi yun, hinatid niya ako nun. Tapos, sabi niya, goodbye kiss. Eh, kinis ko. Yun yung first kiss.
I've been waiting for all you give to me. You've opened my eyes and shown me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this 1,000 times before, but in my dreams I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time.
For me, yung most memorable moment ko, yung binigay niya to, mansari kasi namin yun. Tapos, bigyan na ako ng flowers. But doon niya nilagay to, hindi ko naman ina-expect na bibigyan ako ng ring. Tapos, hindi ko pinapansin. Sabi niya, nilagay ako sa bulaklak. Sabi niya, hindi pa yung sinabi niya. Ang first na sinabi niya is, tingnan mo yung isang flower. Umuulan. Tingnan mo yung isang flower, iba yung size.
Mas malaki yung, mas malaki yung isang flower kaysa dun sa, diba, tatlo yan, diba?
Sabi niya, mas malaki yung size. So, hindi ko naman in-expect na doon niya pala siniksik yung ring. Then, iniwan ko na, sabi, okay, thank you for the flowers. Yun po. Hanggang sa pinilit niya ako, tingnan mo kasi, may nilagay ako doon. Sinabi niya na may nilagay ako doon. Tapos, pumasok ka sa mind ko, baka may nilagay siya sing-sing doon or whatever. Tingnan ko, wala na siya actually doon sa bulaklak, sa pinaka. Nalaglag niya na, nalaglag na siya. Nalaglag na siya sa stem.
as you softly sleep. What I'd give if I could keep just this moment. If only time stood still. But the colors fade away, and the years will make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful.
Honey, dito lang ako sa tabi mo parate. Dahil na sa to support you sa mga plans mo, sa mga iba pang darating. Saka sa maging mabuting ama sa mga may anak niya.
Ako naman, para sa iyo, Sean, promise ko, hindi naman promise, gagawin ko, wala naman ako ibang hihilingin eh. At ang gusto ko lang is simpleng pamilya, magkaroon ng simpleng buhay, tapos mapalaki natin yung mga magiging anak natin.
I see my dreams reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive in your eyes.
Hey, time won't wait. Life goes by. Every day's a brand new sky. Every tear comes to dry. All that really matters in this crazy world is you and I together, baby. Just remember the first leaves off the tree, the way you look at me. 1,000 chiming church bells ring, the simple things are free. The sun, the moon, the stars, the beating of two hearts. How I love the simple things just are. So here we go, let's just dance. Teach my soul to take this chance. Put my heart in your hands. Out of all the moments that we leave,